નમસ્કાર મિત્રો. ધોરણ 9 ઇંગ્લિશ લેસન 2 ડેન્ટલ હેલ્થના ગ્વાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીની સંપૂર્ણ સમજૂતી કોમ્પ્યુટરાઇઝ લેટરમાં જોઈશું. રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. હાઉ ડીડ સોનિયા સફર બીકોઝ ઓફ એ toothache? Answer. Sonia could not eat or sleep. She could neither go to school nor study at home. Question 2. What did Sonia's uncle say? Answer. Sonia's uncle said that they must visit a dentist. Second extract. Question 1. Where did Sonia go in the evening? Answer. In the evening, Sonia went to dental clinic of Dr. Bansi Sharma. Question 2. What kind of a doctor was Dr. Sharma? Answer. Dr. Sharma was a young and competent doctor. ત્રીજો ફકરો. Question 1. Which instrument did the doctor use to check Sonia's teeth? Answer. The doctor used a mouth mirror and a probe to check Sonia's teeth. Question 2. What did the doctor see? To answer. The doctor saw a cavity in a premolar. ચોથો paragraph. Question 1. Why did the doctor give medicine to Sonia? Answer. The doctor gave medicine to Sonia so that the pain would subside and he could give her further treatment the next day. Question 2. Why could Sonia come alone? Answer. Sonia could come alone because she was a brave girl. પાંચમો paragraph. Question 1. What treatment did the doctor give Sonia? To answer. The doctor cleaned the cavity with an air rotor and then he filled it with a white substance. Question 2. Why could the doctor spare time to talk to Sonia? To answer. The doctor could spare time to talk to Sonia because she was the last patient that day. છઠ્ઠો paragraph. Question 1. What did Sonia love eating? Answer. Sonia loved eating chocolates and ice cream and other sweets. Question 2. How many times did Sonia brush her teeth? Answer. Sonia brushed her teeth only in the early morning. સાતમો paragraph. Question. How many times should we brush our teeth? Answer. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. આઠમો paragraph. Question 1. What is the right way of brushing teeth? To answer. The right way of brushing teeth is to move the brush upwards and downwards so that it removes the teeny bits of food stuck between the teeth. Question 2. How should the gum line be brushed? To answer. The gum line should be brushed with gentle stroke. Question 3. How often should you clean your mouth? So we should clean our mouth after every meal and every time we eat a chocolate or an ice cream. નવમો paragraph. Question 1. What is the first requirement of dental hygiene? To answer. Cleaning of mouth is the first requirement of dental hygiene. Question 2. What do the germs feed on? Answer. The germs feed on the food particles stuck to the surface of the teeth and in the space between the teeth. Question 3. What do the germs do? Answer. The germs destroy the enamel coating of the teeth and this lead to cavity. દસમો paragraph. Question 1. What is the enamel? Answer. The uppermost white layer of the teeth is called enamel. Question 2. What is dentin? Answer. The second layer of the teeth, which is slightly yellowish, is called a dentin. Question 3. What is dental pulp? Answer. The innermost layer of the teeth is called a dental pulp. Question 4. Which is the hardest and the strongest part of our body? The answer. The enamel is the hardest and the strongest part of our body. 11mo paragraph. Question 1. Name the two types of teeth. To answer. The two types of teeth are deciduous or milk teeth and permanent teeth. Question 2. What is molar? Answer. Molar is a kind of teeth. Question 3. What do you know about deciduous teeth? Answer. Deciduous teeth are usually 20 in number and they shed one by one after growth. Chothu, how many permanent teeth do we usually have? So we usually have 32 permanent teeth. 12mo paragraph. Question 1. How many inserts and canines are there in each jaw? To answer, there are 4 incisors and 2 canines in each jaw. Question 2. How many premolars and molars are there in each jaw? Answer. There are 4 premolars and 4 or 6 molars in each jaw. 13mo paragraph. Question 1. How did Pooja break her teeth? To answer, Pooja stepped off the staircase and broke her teeth. Question 2. Whom should Pooja consult? So Pooja should consult dentist. Question 3. What will the dentist suggest to Pooja? To answer, the dentist will suggest restoration of teeth with light cured composite filling material. 14mo paragraph. Question 1. Why does Dhara feel embarrassed? To answer, Dhara feel embarrassed because she has an uneven growth of teeth. Question 2. What is the solution to uneven growth of teeth? To answer, uneven growth of teeth can be corrected by orthodontic treatment, in which braces are fixed on teeth to bring them in proper alignment. ત્રીજો પ્રશ્ન. What is crowding? The uneven growth of teeth is called crowding. 15mo paragraph. Question 1. Which project does Sonia want to take up? To answer, Sonia wants to take up a project on dental health. Use the set of words in your own sentence. Impossible, destroy. તો વાક્ય, it is impossible to destroy the proof. બીજું, competent, valuable. So he is competent and doctor. He gave me valuable tips. ત્રીજું, reason, consult. He told me a reason why he consult doctor. ચોથું, requirement, hygiene. Cleaning of mouth is the first requirement of dental hygiene. 5. Possible restoration. The restoration teeth is possible. 6. Eventually examine. Eventually the doctor examine me. 7. Exits wide. There is a wide hole in molar, it cavity exits. 8. Solution, permanent. Answer, permanent solution of poverty is hard. Now, regularly in the long run. Answer, work regularly in the long run, you will success. Thus, suggest fond of. He has a fond of chocolate, so doctor suggests not to eat this. Write who said to whom the following sentence. To answer, Ashokbhai said to Sonia. બીજામાં, Dr. Sharma said to Sonia. ત્રીજામાં, Dr. Sharma said to Ashokbhai. ચોથામાં સોનિયા said to ડૉક્ટર શર્મા. પાંચમામાં ડૉક્ટર શર્મા said to સોનિયા. છઠ્ઠામાં સોનિયા said to ડૉક્ટર શર્મા. સાતમામાં ડૉક્ટર શર્મા said to સોનિયા. આઠમામાં ડૉક્ટર શર્મા said to સોનિયા. ચોથો પ્રશ્ન, fill in the blanks choosing correct word from brackets. તો આન્સર જોઈએ. પહેલી ખાલી જગ્યામાં સેવર, બીજામાં ઇમ્પોસિબલ, ત્રીજામાં પેઇન. બીજા પેરેગ્રાફમાં પહેલામાં પ્રિસ્ક્રિબિંગ, બીજામાં સબસાઇડ, ત્રીજામાં ટ્રીટમેન્ટ. ત્રીજા પેરેગ્રાફમાં પહેલું રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ, બીજું સરફેસ અને ત્રીજું ઇવેન્ચ્યુઅલી. ચોથા પેરેગ્રાફમાં કન્સલ્ટ, એક્ઝામિન, સજેસ્ટ. પાંચમા પેરેગ્રાફમાં ઇમ્બ્રેસ્ડ, પ્રોબ્લેમ, સોલ્યુશન. પ્રશ્ન 5, કરેક્ટ ધ અંડરલાઇન પાર્ટ્સ એન્ડ રિવરાઇટ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ. આન્સર જોઈએ. તો એમાં મેની જગ્યાએ મસ્ટ, કેનની જગ્યાએ શુડ, શુડની જગ્યાએ કુડ અને ડ્રોની જગ્યાએ વિલ ડ્રો આવશે. બીજામાં હેલ્થ તો હેલ્થી, રેગ્યુલર રેગ્યુલરી, ટેકન તો ટેક અને રોલ તો રોલ. ત્રીજો પેરેગ્રાફ એમાં ગ્રેઝ તો ગ્રેઝિંગ, હર્ડ તો હેડ, સ્વેમ તો સ્વિમિંગ, સેટ તો સેટ આવશે. ચોથા પેરેગ્રાફમાં કેરિંગ તો કેર, ક્લીનેડ તો ક્લીન, કુડ તો શુડ, વંશ તો વંશ જવાબ આવશે. છઠ્ઠું, કમ્પ્લીટ ધ ડાયલોગ બોક્સ યુઝિંગ એક્સપ્રેશન ગિવન ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ્સ. તો પહેલામાં આન્સર નો હી ડીડન્ટ, બીજામાં યસ આઈ ડીડ, ત્રીજામાં વેન ડુ યોર એક્ઝામ બિગિન, ચોથામાં વેર ઇઝ જય, પાંચમામાં કેન આઈ સ્પીક ટુ નીતા, છઠ્ઠામાં વોટ ડીડ ધ ટીચર ટીચ, સાતમું મેચ ધ એક્સપ્રેશન વિથ ધ પ્રોપર ફંક્શન દે કન્વે. તો પહેલામાં આન્સર બી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ એબિલિટી, બીજામાં આન્સર સી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ નેસેસિટી, ત્રીજામાં એ એક્સપ્રેસિંગ પોસિબિલિટી, ચોથામાં બી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ એબિલિટી, પાંચમામાં સી એક્સપ્રેસિંગ નેસેસિટી. કમ્પ્લીટ ધ સેન્ટેન્સ વિથ ધ ફંક્શન ગિવન ઇન ધ બ્રેકેટ્સ. તો પહેલામાં જવાબ કેન કમ્પ્લીટ ધ વર્ક ઇન ટાઈમ, બીજામાં માઇટ ગો ટુ દિલ્હી નેક્સ્ટ વીક, ત્રીજામાં હેઝ ટુ વિન ધીસ મેચ, ચોથામાં હી કેન સ્પીક ઇંગ્લિશ, પાંચમામાં મસ્ટ ફોલો ધ રૂલ્સ, છઠ્ઠામાં ઇટ માઇટ રેન ઇન ધ ઇવનિંગ. રીડ ધ ડેટા એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. One question answer, તબલા, હાર્મોનિયમ, ડ્રમ્સ, ગિટાર આર taught her. બીજામાં the classes are conducted thrice a week. ત્રીજું દેવેન પટેલ has given this advertisement. ચોથું the classes are conducted 2 hours. પ્રશ્ન 10, write a paragraph in about 50 words. My best friend. Answer, I have many friends, but Haresh is my best friend. He is my classmate. Haresh is 14-year-old. He is tall and strong. He is a clever student. He always stands first in the class. He looks like an actor. Haresh lives near my house. We go to school together and we play together. During the recess, we share our snacks each other. In the evening, we do our homework together. He helps me with my studies. He is a very hardworking and good boy. He is polite too. I am very proud to have Haresh as my best friend. આભાર.